It's already 3 o'clock exactly. Yeah, I was just on the computer doing some computer works. We're going out. What's that? Oh. Yo, we are now here in the Salamander Bay Shopping Square. And yeah, I noticed that the nail cutter that is attached to my key is actually broken already. The cutter is very important for me. Yeah, because being a chef, being a cook, I always need to keep my fingernails short, clean. Yeah, like this time it's a little bit longer now and I want to cut it, but yeah, it's broken. Yeah, before I've seen cook chefs having dirty fingernails. So we're going inside the grocery and look at this bun. Yeah, this is similar to my one and it's beautiful. We are going to Kmart. We're going to check if yeah, we're going to check for a microwave oven. So this is the microwave they have. It's 700 watts, 20 liters, and it's $49. Yeah, this is the one. I saw before 600 watts, but I don't see it anymore. Okay, I found the nail cutter. This is $3. Some other that are more expensive like this, and this one is $10. Two nail cutter, one big and one small. Should I take it? The $10 one? One for the house and one for my key. Yeah, just this one. And we are now here in the food court, and I'm actually going to buy a coffee with donut. Yeah, these are individual and for me it's expensive, and so I'm going to get one of those hot stuff deal, which is just $6.70. They have a donut machine. As you can see that it's frying now, and two of those will be for me. Actually also buy this one. Yeah, the window cover. Look at that. Yeah, they have a lot of alcoholic bottles, so they drink a lot. So if you are a drinker, you get a reward if you return your bottles. That's nice. Actually not nice, because once you get drunk, you're out of your mind. I saw one of my colleague. Yeah, he has two jobs. He's working in my in our company, and he also have another job inside. I was also thinking of two jobs, but I feel like I will not have time for my blog. This is the freshly made donut. Yeah, it's delicious. So this is what is inside the $3 nail cutter. Okay, it comes with this, also comes with this, and then the nail cutter, $3. Oh, I know this one to scrape the dirt. So I am still here. The sun is gone already. Yeah, the time is already 5:24. I still have my coffee. Yeah, like what I've said, I am day off today, and actually my plan is to sleep here in the van. Yeah, tonight, but I don't know where I am going to sleep. Yeah, maybe just near the beach or somewhere in Anna Bay. We are again going inside the Salamander Bay Square. I'm going to toilet, and then I'm going to Aldi. Yeah, Aldi, they don't have a toilet, so I need to get her first. I am just going to browse for their weekly specials. Yeah, actually I have everything in my life that I need. But you know, it's good to browse things. Yeah, most of the shops are already closed, and I actually bought this chocolate eclairs and this kopiko. This I think made in Indonesia, and then this one is made in Bangladesh. Candies like this is not available in Kohl's or in Woolworths. The total is $5 for these two. It is dark here now outside. I still wanted to see the weekly special in Aldi. If I'm not mistaken, they are closing at 8 o'clock. It's not yet 6 o'clock at the moment. Yeah, we are now here in Aldi and looking for this weekly special. Oh, this GPS watch Bone. This is just $79, $79.99. I am tempted to buy this, but I don't wear a watch because I am all using my mobile phone for the time. But if I'm not mistaken, this one is able to count the steps. I did not buy anything. I was actually shy getting out because I didn't buy anything. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is where I sleep last night. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm here in Nelson Bay, but yeah, this is where I sleep last night. I just feel like sleeping here. I actually having this coffee now. Yeah, I'm running out of coffee. Here, also in the house, I don't have a coffee already anymore. And there's so many cars in here. You see they're outside. I was previously on that side. I moved here because there is a sun here. On that side there's no sun. Yeah, I need the sun to power my solar panel to charge my battery, because I need to work here with my computer charging. Oh no, I have no choice, but yeah, I need to go to the toilet. And I am back here. I didn't able to record because it was very hassle, and I already have this fried rice, and I need to set up again this table and my computer. Let's put some privacy. This is the fried rice, and this is $14. Expensive. And I'm still here. Actually, it's already 4 o'clock, 4:07, and it is raining now. The people left already. No more cars here, and there are some black swan. You know, it's so good to be here. It is the same comfortable like being in the house. Yeah, I have this lounge here, working table here. Yeah, I actually have a toilet down here, but I'm not using that yet. Advantage of being here is that, yeah, the view. I can see the view, and I can see some people. While if I am in the house, it's just a comfortability of having everything in the house. But yeah, I don't see people, and I don't see beauty of nature. The rain has stopped. There's one lady over there, and the sun is setting. It is now 6:30. We are going home now. I am hungry. Yeah, we are now here in Nelson Bay, and I'm going inside the grocery to buy something. I don't know yet. And this is what they have on sale this time. $7.25 but chicken, $5 meat. And later on they are going to change that to a cheaper price. Oh, I almost forgot that I need to get a coffee. Yeah, I don't have coffee in the house, so I get this one. This just $4. I'm going to get one of these. Yeah, butter chicken, $7.50, or maybe it is $8.90. Yeah, whichever. Oh, I realized that I don't have microwave. It means that I am going to reheat it in the pot. And we are home. Partially open. Okay, it works. So this is how it is. There is 3 pieces of meat of this buttered chicken.